She always seems to know where we're going before we do.
Some people help so naturally, they don't even realize they're doing it.
Knowledge grows when it is shared. I think she's training us.
I think she already has.
I used to think strength meant doing everything yourself. And now, I think strength is knowing when to accept a helping hand. The world changes, one unnoticed kindness at a time. Some buildings outlive the people who built them.
What if we try it this way?
Experience teaches.
But fresh eyes still have something to offer.
Wonder how many hands have touched this wall before mine. History isn't only written in books. It's written in places and in people.
Sometimes the smallest lessons, they keep growing long after we're gone.
We remember the names carved in stone, but not always the quiet lives they belong to. Respect doesn't always need introducing. Sometimes it simply appears. Civilizations leave behind ruins, but people leave behind something greater: the way they treated one another.
Being noticed is enough to change someone's day.
The world keeps changing, but kindness never goes out of date. History remembers kings, but life remembers kindness. Maybe changing the world starts with changing one ordinary moment. We spend our lives searching for meaning, while meaning quietly walks beside us every day. Leave every place a little kinder, leave every person a little stronger, and someday, they'll do the same for someone else.